Sinabi niya na hindi siya attend from the very beginning kasi kahit noong mga nakaraang pagkapanalo niya sa kanyang pagkandidato for the last 30 years, hindi naman siya talaga uma-attend ng proclamation.
Pero nung last week po, sir, sabi niyo it's better that he attends because he has to fulfill the constitutional provision or mandate.
Well, sinabi ko yun actually because we would like to convince him. Kaya lang, marami kami nag-convince kaya hindi pa rin siya.
Talaga, sir? You tried to convince him?
Yes, yes.
How did you try to convince him, sir?
Well, I send him messages.
Talaga? Ano sabi niyo?
Sabi ko, well, yun nga, sinabi ko na it's better na if he could be present during the proclamation, then many of his supporters will be very happy.
Bakit ba, sir, mahalaga para sa supporters sana na nakita sila? Para sa inyo?
Well, siyempre, alam mo naman yun, napakahirap ng dinaanan ng pagkapanalo ni Mayor Duterte. Kaya siyempre gusto nitong mga supporters na ito who spend their own money, so talagang mga volunteers na ito. If there is one president who could be classified as a president installed by volunteers, si Mayor Duterte na ito.
Sir, ano tingin niyo yung gustong iparating ni Mayor Duterte sa mga tao kahit wala siya dito sa proclamation?
Well, yung ganun pa rin, yung kanyang pasasalamat sa support na binigay sa kanya during the whole election time.